Hello everyone, welcome to the first part of electric current and its effects. Before we get started, let's get to know what is electric current. Electric current is nothing but the flow of electricity from positive to negative terminal. This is the positive terminal and this is the negative terminal. So when electricity flows from the positive terminal to the negative terminal, it consists of an electric current. Having known that, let's move on to creating a simple circuit diagram consisting of the below components. A cell, which is depicted by a long line and a short line. The longer line depicts the positive terminal of the cell and the shorter line depicts the negative terminal of the cell. Let me show in reality how a cell looks like. So this is what a cell looks like. The part with the pointed end is the positive terminal, as you can see here. This is the positive terminal, and this, the flat part of the cell, depicts the negative terminal. The next component is a bulb, which is depicted by a curved line inside a circle. The next is a switch in the on position. The fourth component is a switch in the off position. And the fifth component is a wire, which is depicted by straight line. So, having known the components, let's move on to creating a simple circuit diagram using these components. So, to create the diagram, we will first take a cell. This is the positive terminal. This is the negative terminal. We'll connect the positive terminal of the cell to the positive terminal of the bulb. We'll connect the negative terminal of the cell to one point of the switch. We'll extend the negative terminal of the bulb to connect to one of the point of the switch. Now, when the switch is turned on, electricity starts to flow from the positive terminal through the light bulb, through the switch, into the negative terminal of the cell. And since this is a closed circuit and the flow of electricity is continuous, it flows through the bulb and makes it light up. So that's all for today. Let's meet in the next part. Thank you.